have nice weather at present, but you know what, foxes?
Nhasi mangwani, amai vati masikati, kuchanaya mvura, yozomira manheru.
You are confusing us, Tari. Is that Shona?
Yes, Nhasi means today, mangwani means morning, masikati means afternoon, and amai means mother. Kuchanaya mvura means it will rain. Yozomira means will stop. Then, finally, manheru means in the evening. So I just said, today in the morning, Mom says it will rain in the afternoon and stops in the evening.
Thanks, Shona Learning Warriors. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe.